Hello everyone. Today we are going to see two new features enabled in General Ledger module as part of 21B release. Okay, let us go to the first feature. In first feature, General Ledger categories can be restricted during manual journal entry and while creating journals using spreadsheet interface. And second feature is we can keep expanded search feature when you click on manage general page. Now let us go and see how to configure these new features. So for the first feature, we need to navigate to setup and maintenance. Select offerings as financials. Search task, manage general categories. Click on link, manage general categories. Now go to the category name which you want to restrict during manual general entry. So let us go to the adjustment category name, and here you need to enable this checkbox. Okay, the checkbox name is exclude from manual general entry. Now save and close. Now let us go to the create general entry screen, journals. Click on create general. Test, test. Now system should not allow us to select category adjustment. Okay, so it is erroring out. So this is how we can restrict category adjustment. Now let us go to the spreadsheet and let us see whether it is allowing us to enter that category in the spreadsheet. So click on the create general in spreadsheet link. So I have already opened it. So this is a screen which will get open when you click on that link. Now let me select my category adjustment. Okay, see I clicked on adjust and it is giving me only adjust retirement. So adjustment categories not visible for the user to select. Now let us go to the second new feature where we can keep our search area expanded. So let me click on manage generals. So this is the search section. Okay, so this is the area. So once you select the period, let us select the current June month and click on search. Okay, and now you can find this section has been hidden. So the new functionality is that even after clicking on search, this area will be expanded. Now let us see how to enable this feature. Okay, for this we need to navigate to so let us go to the home page first and click on settings and actions menu. Okay, and click set preference. And click on general ledger preferences. And under general section, you need to enable this checkbox. So the checkbox name is keep manage general search section expanded, and save your changes. Now let us go back to manage general page and see whether the changes has been made. Generals, click on manage generals. Okay, you can see this page has been expanded. Let me search generals for the month of June. Search. Okay, so even after search result, this page is still expanded. So these are the two new features. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you need any clarifications or any help, please post your questions in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.